Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Janae.
I'm Niley.
So for today's vlog ay in-announce na nga.
Ayan na!
Wow, at isa pa. So ayan. So na-announce na nga sa Miss Universe Philippines Quezon Province na si Maria Atisa Manalo ang kanilang ipapadala sa Miss Universe Philippines 2024.
Alam po natin lahat na lahat po tayo, hindi lamang ang buong Quezon Province ang nag-abang. Nararamdaman ko, kami ang magsusuot. Si Miss Atisa Manalo ang magsusuot ng Philippine sash.
The representative of Quezon Province through this sashing.
So exciting.
Grabe
Kasi,
yung support
anong
ng
tawag?
Quezonians.
Grabe yung bardagulan na mangyayari, and anong masasabi mo doon, partner? Are you excited?
Super excited ako for Atisa Manalo kasi I think meron pa siyang ibubuga. Kumbaga,
Apoy?
mag-blazing fire siya.
So, kasi for how many years? It's been like 5-6 years na nag-hiatus siya sa pageantry. And actually, nagparamdam na siya last year. May chance na next year, 2024, na talaga kasi nag-judge na siya, nag-hosting gig na siya sa mga local pageants. So, it's a sign. Ganon. And, yeah, it's good for the Philippine pageantry kasi at least hindi siya magiging boring na kumbaga isa lang yung malakas. Dapat mas maganda yung may competition. At least kung sino man yung mananalo at ipadala na internationally, well prepared. Kasi from the Philippine local or national pageant pa lang, may bardagulan lang nangyari. So sisiw na lang yung international. Parang ganun, di ba?
Yes. Saka naman nung unang nag-join siya bago siya mag-Miss International first place, di ba dun sa national pageant, medyo kasi siya, yung performance niya dun, medyo baby pa, ganyan, na parang cute-cutean, ganyan. Tapos nung nag-Miss International siya, medyo na-polish, ganyan, na halos muntik niya na makuha yung corona talaga.
Yung
So I think yung years na nag-hiato siya is yun yung time na kung saan niya siguro na-reflect kung ano yung mga kailangan niyang i-improve, ganyan, which is very exciting.
Kung what she can offer on the table.
Yes.
So, abang-abang na lang tayo kung ano pa yung kayang i-offer ni Atisa sa nalalapit na season ng Miss Universe Philippines. It's gonna be exciting, and mas maging happy tayo doon. At least, ang lakas. And ang dami nilang girls. Ang takeaway ko lang is love lang, and let's all be happy for all the girls, and huwag nating kalimutan na kung ano yung kanilang risk, kung ano yung kanilang preparation to be able to represent their provinces.
So, ayun guys, maraming salamat.
And guys, so if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago pa sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Mag-comment na rin kayo kung ano pa yung mga gusto nyo mapanood sa ating channel. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
Ayan guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and we have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming, so keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!